In this video, we are going to make this beautiful birthday backdrop or a decoration wall. This is very easy and a fun activity to do, and you will recall all your school craft memories while doing this. Hey guys, I am Gayatri. Welcome back to my channel Gayatri's Creation. You are in the right place if you love the kind of the video I create and you want me to create such a more videos. Then show some love by subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will notify for the new video. So let's begin. For this kind of decorations, you require the crepe paper or a kite paper with a 3 different color, or actually you can use the 4 colors also according to your theme. Cut the 15 by 30 centimeter piece of first color and then make the folds at the center and make the sharp edges so it will show some marks, and fold it at the reference marking in a zigzag form. Now fold it at the center and staple it to secure, and then cut the edges in some designs to look clean and sharp. Now add the glue at the sides and stick both the sides by folding it at the center, and do the similar way for the second side so to make it fully open in a round shape. So it's done. It is very easy and just follow the steps. Now take the second paper and cut them into the 20 by 40 cm length. Mark the reference lines as done in the previous one. Fold it in a zigzag and staple it at the center. Means do the same steps to create the round shaped wheel. If you are liking this kind of work, then please subscribe to my channel and it's free. Now take the third paper and cut it into 25 by 50 cm length. Follow the same steps and do the 3 sizes of the wheels. Here we are using the 3 different sizes of the wheels. Now time to create the number. Here I have taken the cardboard and traced the number 2. Now cut it out and cover it with the white crepe paper. And to decor it, cut some small square of the crepe paper approximately 1 inch square. Put some glue on the cardboard and put the small square crepe paper onto it. Crush it in upward as here I am showing you. You require lots of small square for it. Don't leave the gap on a cardboard and fill up the number 2 all by doing this all over. It will give the 3D effect on a plain cardboard. So here is our 3D number design is ready. Now it's time to arrange it all on the wall. So take a white cloth to arrange all the wheels on it. Start from a smaller size wheels and placing it on a cloth with the help of the small pins, or you can use the stapler. No any particular pattern is required. Follow your own creative mind and complete the decor. And at the center add the number Our simple birthday decoration is ready. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. And leave the comment what more videos you want me to create. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.